Finally, we'll be going through the track work attendance form and we'll see where the changes are on this form. So you click the track work attendance the same way you will, and look for the name of the person you want to track. Hit continue, and then you can see the tracking statistics page. The next thing is you enter the payment card number of the person and take a picture of the payment card. Please ensure that you are taking the picture of the payment card and not the picture of the person. So once you take a picture of the payment card, I'll just leave it as a blank picture for now. Then you go and pick the worker category of the person. If the person is DOPV, you pick that worker category. For this particular worker, we registered them as a DOPV supervisor. So pick DOPV supervisor and move. But you will notice that if you pick any other category that is not one of these ones, then it will give you an error message and say the selected worker category does not match one you registered with. So you have to pick the exact worker category of the worker. We registered this person as a DOPV supervisor and we want to track the daily work. Here you pick the number of days the person works. Again, it tells you that the number of days work cannot exceed the recommended days because I picked 3 days. But if I pick 2 days, it allows me go. Now, this person also works in a second category as the house to house. So we'll enter the payment card number here and take a picture of the payment card again, and then move on to the next question. Here we get to pick the category of the person. So if you remember, we picked supervisor in the last one, and then also on the other forms you can only be house to house if you are a supervisor. If you are if you have done DOPV, you can only be house to house, or as a DOPV ward focal, you can only be a ward focal person in the ward team. But for now, we'll pick H to H supervisor because that is what the person